369 are divine numbers.
With me, roll with me, roll with me, yeah. Guys, go with me.
Hi guys, so my name is Lovey and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mind to Matter. So I'm so excited. So today we are going to be talking about Nikola Tesla 369 manifestation method. So I'm super excited because I really wanted to do this video for a long time. So I have some notes, so I'm going to be looking at our phones. So let's jump into this video. Who is Nikola Tesla? Nikola Tesla was actually a very smart scientist from back in the day. So basically, just to give you a short bio about Nikola Tesla, he was a businessman, like inventor. He was also known helping electricity as well. When he first started, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. He was trying to get different people like Ford and other people to fund his dream and fund his business. And during his entire life, he made a lot of money, but he also lost that money right before he died. He was a genius. He was one of the greatest thinkers of mankind, and he was actually poor and homeless. So you can imagine a man making all this money in his whole entire life, and then right a couple years before he died, he just ends up homeless, right? Crazy. So I'm looking at my phone. Tesla basically gave the world a lot of gems. He had OCD, and he was obsessed with the numbers 3, 6, and 9. So as you guys know, the numbers 3, 6, and 9, these numbers are divine numbers, right? It is said that a circle has 360 degrees. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and no matter how many times you divide the circle, you always get the number either 3 or 6 or 9. He was a mystery man. Giving you more information about Nikola Tesla so you can understand where the 369 manifestation method comes from, right? Some crazy ass things that Nikola Tesla did was Nikola Tesla walked around a block 3 times before entering a building, number 1. Number 2, he only chose hotel's room, which had its room number dividable by 3, and he would wash his dishes with 18 napkins only. Crazy. These were some things that Nikola Tesla did that was freaking weird, but he also had OCD. Some people also say that Nikola Tesla was very superstitious. Here's what we got from Tesla. This is what Nikola Tesla quoted: "If you knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." I'm sorry, let me repeat that. If you knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe. So another thing you guys should know about Nikola Tesla, remember, I still did not jump into the manifestation method because I really want you guys to understand who Nikola Tesla was. And the question is, where did this come from? What the hell is the 369 manifestation method? The 369 manifestation method really got popular, I want to say the beginning of the year, or maybe the beginning of last year, I'm not sure, with some famous TikTokers. They start posting, they mixed Nikola Tesla 369 manifestation method with Abraham Hicks 17-second rule. And as you guys know, Abraham Hicks 17-second rule is that you focus on a desire that you want for 17 seconds or more, you start to activate that manifestation or that desire to come to you faster, right? What's quoted by Nikola Tesla was, "If you want to find the secrets to the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." So if you are a law of attraction person, that you know the law of attraction is about your thoughts, how much energy you're putting out to it, and just being happy and letting go of it, right? Matching that same vibrational energy that you're putting out, right? Finally, guys, here it is, the Nikola Tesla's 369 manifestation method. Put this out there. There's no actual method that was found by Nikola Tesla. These TikTokers just combine the fact that Nikola Tesla was obsessed with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 because they are divine numbers, and added Abraham Hicks 17-second rule to that, right? Here's the first way that you can do the 369 manifestation method. Number 1, right? Pick 3 affirmations that you want, and affirmations could be 3 desires. So maybe you want a house, maybe you want a new car, and maybe you want a new job, right? Pick 3 affirmations that you want. You say them 6 times a day. You focus on what you want for 9 seconds. 3 affirmations, 1, 2, 3, right? That's, remember, Nikola Tesla was obsessed with 3, 6, and 9. Say each one of these things 6 times each day, and you focus on it for more than 9 seconds. This is the first manifestation method. A whole 17-second rule that was implemented by Abraham and Esther Hicks goes like this. If you focus on the thought for as long as 17 seconds, that thought starts to attract other thoughts and other energy forms to make these thoughts bigger. If you can hold that thought for at least 6 to 8 seconds, manifestation will begin. I'm gonna say that again. There is no actual actual Nikola Tesla method out there. Nikola Tesla was just obsessed with the 369 numbers, which are also divine numbers. He did not put out a method. This method was put out by TikTokers, right? So they combine the 369, which are divine numbers. So I just want to say that again. So here's the second way that you can do the 369 manifestation method. And I'm looking at my phone, sorry. Every morning, you have to write down at least one statement 3 times. Around midday, you write out the same statement 6 times. And then just before you go to bed, you write it out 9 times. So you guys, the affirmation is something that you want, a goal or a desire that you want. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's say you want a new house, you want a new car, you want some money. So what you would write is, method you would write, thank you universe for extra $1,000 in my bank account every month, right? You will repeat this to yourself 3 times. Then in the afternoon, you will repeat that same affirmation 6 times. Right before you go to bed, you will also repeat that other affirmation 9 times. With both of these methods, when you do these methods 3, 6, and 9 times, you're actually completing the circle. When you use the code 369, which will be embedded into your manifestation energy, this will allow you to amplify your power. So 369 are divine numbers. A circle has 360 degrees, right? And being the fact that that circle has 360 degrees, 3 plus 6 is 9, and no matter how many times you divide the circle, you always get the number either 3, 6, or 9. This would accelerate your goals to come to you faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my video on Nikola Tesla's 369 manifestation method. If you haven't already, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop something in the comments about if you guys understood what the Nikola Tesla 369 manifestation method is. Drop something in the comments of what kind of video you guys want me to do, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. Wow, I think we as people, we kind of forget about ourselves and we don't take care of ourselves. That's why I say self-care is so important. You know, a lot of times we're going through the day, we're going through the motions, we're not feeling good, and then you kind of start attracting all that negative energy because you're not feeling so good, and then you attract more negative situations. You ever notice that, like, when you're not feeling good, it's like not just one bad situation, it's like a domino effect of bad situations just keep happening over and over. With the Mind to Matter manifestation box, I think, you know, my goal with this box is that we all want to feel better. We all want to feel good. This manifestation box will help you feel better, help you manifest your dream life. You know, we all want to be happy. You know, just even with little things that we do, spending time with family, cooking in the kitchen, we all just want to be happy. So purchase your manifestation box now. Start your journey of happiness today. The link below. What are you waiting for? Ready to start attracting your wildest desires? Are you feeling sad every day? Do you want to become better? Well, I have the perfect gift for you. Let me introduce to you the ultimate unisex manifestation box. I'm so excited about this box. Not only do we have a money magnet shirt from YPDMV, two favorite products right here. We have a gratitude keychain and a clear quartz crystal. Guys, if you're interested, definitely check these out. And one of my absolutely favorites is the manifestation card game. Have you guys ever heard of that? Probably not. With this game, you can play with your family and friends, and it will help you also manifest all the things that you want in life. And we also have a blank check from the universe. So if you're ready to start manifesting your dream life today, go ahead and click the link in the bio and shop now.